Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Code Switching 2020. Today we continue with our grade 11 physical sciences, looking at Newton's law. Today's question states the following. Two blocks are shown in the following diagram, resting on a frictionless horizontal surface. They are linked together with a light string. On a 15 kg block, a force of 50 Newton is applied. Here we have our diagram. The first block is 15 kg, second block is 30 kg, and 50 Newton is applied on 15 kg block. Then they said, determine the acceleration of the blocks. So for us to be able to determine solution for number one, we need to take the whole system as one thing. For us to be able to determine the acceleration, it means you're going to say this, we take this as one thing, and the two have the force of 50 Newton, meaning when we add 15 plus 30 is going to be the same as 45 kg is being pulled by a force of 50 Newton. So we know that from Newton it says the force applied will be equal to mass multiplied by the acceleration. This will be solution for number A. Then the force applied is 50 Newton. Our mass is the total mass of the system, which is 45 kg. Then we need the acceleration. Then to get the acceleration, we divide both sides by 45. So our acceleration will become 50 over 45. And when we punch on our calculator, 50 divided by 45 will be 1,11 meters per second squared to the left. Because of our acceleration is being pushed to the left, we must save direction. So number B, it says determine the force exerted by the string on the 30 kg block. So firstly, we need to know the number of forces acting on a 30 kg block. And on our 30 kg block, since our surface is frictionless, it means our 30 kg block we only have the tension which is acting on it, 30 kg. I only have the tension of the string. So to get our tension, when I say tension will be equal to mass multiplied by the acceleration. Our mass is 30 kg. Our acceleration is the acceleration of the whole system, which was 1,11 meters per second. So our tension is 30 multiplied by 1,11. When you punch on our calculator, we got 33,1 Newton. And the force must have direction is to the left. That's the force exerted by the string on the 30 kg block. So let's take a recap of what we have done. Today's question asks the following. Two blocks are shown in the following diagram, resting on a frictionless horizontal surface, meaning there won't be any frictional force. They are linked together with a light string. On a 15 kg block, a force of 50 Newton is applied. Then here was our diagram with our 15 kg block and 30 kg block and a force of 50 Newton applied on 15 kg. Question number 1 asks the following: determine the acceleration of the blocks. Then we said, firstly, we take the whole blocks as one thing. We added the masses is 15 plus 30. We got 45. Meaning 45 is acting on, meaning 50 Newton is acting on 45 kg. Then to get our acceleration, F will be equal to mass multiplied by acceleration. Our force given is 50 Newton. It's the only force acting on the system. So it's 50 will be equal to mass of 45 multiplied by A. To get A, we divided both sides by 45. Our acceleration is 50 divided by 45, which is 1,11 meters per second squared. Acceleration must have direction to the left. Question number 2 said, the force exerted by the string on the 30 kg block. Then we need to determine how many forces are acting on 30 kg with only the force of the string, which is tension. Because of this is a frictionless surface. So tension will be given by mass multiplied by the acceleration. Our mass is 30 kg. Our acceleration is the same as the whole system. It's 1,11. Therefore, 30 multiplied by 1,11 is 33,3 Newton, not 1. And force must have direction to the left. So that was all for today. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please go to Code Switch in 2020.